Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to be unboxing the Soundcore by Anchor Life P2 Mini true wireless earbuds. So these are very simple. They're quite inexpensive, but we have a place here for a sticker, which we should be cutting, but we're not going to cut because I don't have a knife. And we just pull the sticker up a little bit more. And then we have a tab that opens. We have these come out of here. These are obviously not plastic eco-friendly. They do have quite a bit of plastic here. How do we sound? There's a little paper here, and then cables, earbuds, pieces, and the earbuds themselves. Like I said, please recycle this plastic. We have the earbuds themselves. So let's see what's here. How do we sound? They probably want to know. If you have any feedback, they have a flap here. This is probably a manual, which is wrapped in plastics. Once again, let's open it just in case there's anything more in here that's interesting. No, just manuals. We sound great. They just want feedback and then some stuff on how to do. And then we have some, issues and things that they're disclaimers basically. Then we have a USB cable. This seems to be a USB A to C, so A here and C here, so that's nice. I wish it was a C to C because most of my chargers are C now. Then we have ear tips here in this plastic little bag, which again, plastic. I love the use of plastic. I wish they had some different solutions, but basically there we go. Let's take them out. How many do we have? This is basically for different ear sizes, so you're comfortable wearing them and they do their job of isolating as much noise as possible. We have a little extra plastic on the side here. So there's a bunch of them. There's probably like M, XL, and S, and so on. So these are all here. We have 4 of them. And then here are the earbuds themselves, which we're going to open. There's a little bit more plastic. And then we can see the case has USB-C, and it just basically pops open. Once we pop it open, we have the earbuds themselves, and you'll notice that the basically they have this sticker. This sticker has to be removed in order to reveal the contacts so they can charge. They do this for the traveling. So this little sticker goes off and reveals the 2 charging connectors that once we plug them back in, they start charging. So this is how we do that. So same thing here, take it off, and then we put it back to charge. And that would be now charging. And that's what comes with the Soundcore Life P2 Mini. They have little ear tips to change, the cable, no charging brick, but it's to be expected. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. See you in the next one. Bye.